That sound, that smell, crispy, golden, sizzling bacon. But before it reached the pan, it went through a careful process of salt, smoke, and time. This is how bacon is made. Bacon begins with one specific cut of pork, the belly. Look closely, and you can already see what makes bacon, bacon. Those signature ribbons of pink meat layered with soft, white fat. At this stage, though, it's completely fresh, no salt, no smoke, no flavor yet. First, each belly is trimmed and squared up, the edges neatened, and the rind removed, so every slab is an even, uniform shape. This makes sure the bacon cures evenly and slices cleanly later on. Now, for the most important step, the cure. Each belly is covered in a mix of salt, sugar, and a small amount of curing salt. This is what preserves the meat, gives bacon its rich, savory flavor, and turns it that classic pink color. In big factories, the cure is often injected as a brine to reach the center evenly and quickly. The cured bellies are then left to rest, chilled, for several days. During this time, the cure works its way deep into the meat, drawing out moisture and seasoning it all the way through, the step that separates real bacon from a quick imitation. Once cured, the bellies are rinsed to wash away any excess salt from the surface, then patted dry, ready for the smokehouse. This is where bacon gets its soul. The bellies are hung in a smokehouse and bathed in the smoke of smoldering hardwood, often hickory, applewood, or maple. Over several hours, the meat slowly takes on a deep, golden brown color and that unmistakable smoky aroma. Straight after smoking, the bellies are chilled until firm. Cold meat holds its shape and slices far more cleanly than warm, so this quick chill is essential for the perfect strip. The chilled slabs are pressed into a neat, even shape. This squares them off so that every single slice comes out the same width. No thick ends, no ragged edges. Then comes the moment we've all been waiting for. The pressed slabs are fed into a high-speed slicer, and in an instant, a whole belly becomes a cascade of thin, even strips, each one showing off those perfect ribbons of meat and fat. The fresh slices are laid out in neat, overlapping rows and weighed into exact portions, the familiar fan of bacon you'd find on a shop shelf. Each portion is sealed in airtight, vacuum-packed film that locks out air and keeps the bacon fresh. The machines move fast, sealing pack after pack in seconds. Finally, the finished packs are counted, boxed, and stacked onto pallets, ready to be shipped out to shops, kitchens, and breakfast tables everywhere. And that's the journey, from a fresh cut of pork through salt, smoke, and time to the crispy golden bacon on your plate. So the next time you hear that sizzle, you'll know exactly what went into it. If you enjoyed this, stick around. There's a whole world of everyday things waiting to be taken apart step by step.